0.5. So do that. 0.5. So you just, I think this is the best way to do it, because you can go by using the percentage. That one is very it's a long process. Just multiply it by 0.5, you get 50% of it. Let's go to the next column. This side is the exam score, so this side there's no need to put a formula here, because this is where you put the exam score for the people. So the exams that you conducted, if the person got 90, this is where you enter the 90. So let's go to the next one. This side you want the 50% of the exams score. So as usual, you bring your equal to sign, then the first cell under the exam score is E2, so E2 times 0.5. You click enter. Okay, as usual, let me center it. So let me demonstrate by putting some figures here. So let's assume the class score for AMA is maybe, when I added the class exercise, the homeworks and those kind of things, maybe she got 80. When you enter it, you see it has changed to 40. 50% of 80 is 40. And maybe the class score, the exams, she got 67. So you see 50% of 67 is 33.5. So it automatically does the calculation for you. Let me center this also. Okay, then let's come to the total score. The total score section is the addition of the 50% of the exams class score and the exam score. So we just start with the formula equal to, so the 50% of the class score is at column D, and the first cell is D2, so D2 plus the exam score 50% as F, column F, so, and the first cell is F2, so plus F2. You click enter. So as you can see, it has summed them. So 40 plus 33.5 is equal to 73.5. Okay, let's continue. We are now on the letters grading. You see, it depends on how you want your how you want it to be like. Some are using plus, some are using the letters row. Depends on what you want to use for the school. So the letter gradings, when you come here, okay, for the letter gradings, this is how it looks like. Now let me just cut the formula. Let me just cut the formula. Sorry, let me just copy it. Let me send to this place so that I will explain it. Okay, so when you look here, it starts from this. It starts as this. This is a logical formula. Now if G2, the total score is at G2, G column, and then the first cell is what, G2. So if AMA score as G2 is greater than 89, it means the latest grading A plus should appear here. But if it's false, then we check, is AMA's grade at G2 greater than 79? If it's greater than 79, then A should be written there. Then we check again, the score that AMA got, is it greater than 69? If it's true that it's greater than 69, then B plus should be written there. If it's false, AMA's score is not even up to 69, or is not even up to 50, then it is false. So if it's false, then we check again. If AMA's score at G2 is greater than 59, then B should be written there. If AMA's score is at G2 is greater than 54, then C plus. If AMA's score at G2 is greater than 49, then C. If AMA's score at G2 is greater than 39, then D plus. If AMA's score at G2 is greater than 34, then E. If it's less than 34, then F. So when you look at the closing bracket, let's count the open one. The open one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, you have opened 8 brackets, so you have to use 8 closing brackets. So when you count the bracket here, it should be equal to 8. That's how the logical formulas, that's how it works. Whenever a bracket is open, you should close it. So after that, let me press enter. Easy. AMA's place is B plus. Why B plus? Because AMA got 73.5. So when you look at the formula, AMA's score is greater than 69. AMA's score is greater than 69, but it's not up to 79. But so that's how it works. So if it's greater than 69, but it's not up to 79, then B plus should be written there, and it's there. Let me center it. Now let's go to the numbers grading. The numbers grading. Let me just cut the formula. It follows the latest grading. It's the same thing. So let me paste it here. We want, if G2 AMA's grade at total score, which is G2, is greater than 89, it means 1 should be written there. If AMA's score is greater than 79, 2. You see, this is the BEC grading. Take note. The BEC grading 90 to 100 is 1. 90 to 100 is 1. Then 80 to 90 is 2. That's what we've used for the formula. So if AMA's score at 60, say G2 is greater than 89, it means it's above, it's 90 and 100. So it means 1 should be written there. And if it's greater than 79, 2, 69, 3. So it goes that way. After that, just press your enter key. Then it's there. You just center it. You center there. You see, AMA got